Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna have an unboxing, guys. I just got my boxes delivered. Yeah! I am so happy because I can see them all through the tape in here. But I'm gonna do the unboxing right in front of you, okay guys? So let's see. The first box I already opened. These are the inserts that are gonna go inside the boxes, okay? The second one, the second box in here, as you can see, it says Hypnotic Luster and Nocturnal Bliss. So let me open this. Okay, so let's see. Let me just bring this higher so you can see better. Okay, let me just get up. Waiting for this moment to happen. So it's like a division marking here. Let me see if you can, let me show you. Let me just put this away. There are 250, actually 300 of each. So these are the boxes. Let me just show them to you. So this is how they come, okay? So the first one that I'm gonna be pulling out, it's Hypnotic Luster. Yes! Let me open it for you guys. Oh my god, this is like my babies, you know? Look at how beautiful they come. So I decided to use the matte finish, guys, and this is how they open. Okay, this is very sturdy, guys. It opens and it locks at the bottom. Okay, perfect. And as you can see at the bottom, I have the candle care and the warning instructions in there, you know. So I just figured, you know what, why not put it on the box so people can see it, you know. And then look at the beautiful finish. Look at the beautiful gold in here. So then this closes down like this. Okay, let me just fold this and then just closes down like that. Okay, so look at how beautiful this is. Yes, I'm so happy, guys. You know what? Remember when I told you that I wanted to change? Let me see if I have the old box in here. Okay, this is what I changed. I changed the finish. This finish is the soft matte, the soft touch matte. But I didn't want to have this because this gets a lot of fingerprints and smudges, you know. So I decided to go. You know, it's cheaper to do it without any kind of coating. So I did it with the matte. No special coating, okay, and then I pay extra for the gold, of course, you know. But look how beautiful it looks, guys. I have the logo on the top, and I have text on the side, okay. And I have a beautiful design in the background that is supposed to mimic like smoke, you know. It's just it gives it movement to the box, movement, you know, all the way around. And let me show you guys the insert. I also got the insert because I wanted I wanted the candle to be protected, you know. So this is the insert. This is custom made, okay. So it has something here that you pull away, and then you just fold this. I think it goes like this. Just fold the four sides, and this is gonna go inside the box. This is gonna prevent the candle from moving inside. Okay, so let me just put it inside. So this is gonna be, this is also gonna give the box more structure, you know. Okay. So you push it all the way down. So it's all the way down in there, okay guys. Hypnotic Luster, guys. Look at how beautiful the candle is. With this wooden lid from 1617. Oh my god. This wooden lid, guys, is what makes the candle luxurious. Feel luxurious. It doesn't feel like the same. It feels, this is very heavy wood, guys. And it's very tight seal, okay, and it gives the candle a luxurious look, okay, and it feels heavy, okay. And then I'm gonna put it in the box inside the insert, okay, and as you can see, it fits perfectly in there. And then I just lock the box, and here it is. Yes! Oh my god! I'm so excited, guys. I'm so happy. This is my dream come true, and I just wanted to share this moment with you, okay, guys? So this is going to be a short video. I think I'm going to end it now. And I just wanted to share this with you, okay, guys? Okay, guys. So this is the end of the video. Okay, let me just show you the beautiful box again. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you who made the boxes, okay? The company is called YourBoxSolution.com. They are located in Oregon. And the graphic design firm that this beautiful box for me is called Lemon Strike Creative Studios. They are located in San Francisco, so I'm gonna put all the links down below in the description box, so you can go visit them, guys. And I tell you, I couldn't be more pleased. Okay, so I'll see you Sunday, guys, on my live stream. Take care of yourself. Bye.